taking off, no, from KML Resort. Minor. Grabe. Tanggal yung mga angkla. But US coasting, no? Nakatali. So we're almost 6 hours here, no? This boat is owned by London Beach, no? Part of their para mga package. Laki-laki din siya, no? So this is within the coast of Sarangani Bay, no? Medyo mataas-taas lang. Rest na lahat. Celebrate. Okay, going na. Lisude magpaguyod, no? Sama lisod ganito paguyod. Nagpakanan, so pabalik kami, no? So within the parang ano to, enclave, hindi masyado malakas yung alon, but ito pataas. Akit tayo. Akit tayo sa taas. Sa taas naman. Na to, 4 yung crew nila, the boat captain, 3 assistants. On that direction, going out of Sarangani Bay. Dito naman is pabalik sa London Beach. So medyo nakatago lang kami, no? Kasi kung lalabas ka dyan sa center, yung advice ng Coast Guard kanina, malakas yung alon. In fact, the original plan was doon pa na sa island, no? Malapit doon sa entrance ng Sarangani Bay. But hindi advisable, no? So we're advised to take lang dito muna, safe side.